Hi, Greg at Commercial Business Machines back again today to show you folks how to change toner in your Kyocera 2 or 3 series copier. That is, any machine that ends in a 2 or a 3 digit. Now this doesn't matter whether it's a monochrome machine or a color machine. We're going to show you how to do either one. But check this out before we begin. I'm going to show you a slide here from Buyer's Laboratory that shows how Kyocera won an industry award back in 2016 for innovation, because it's the first time that anybody's ever designed the ability for the Empty Black Toner Cartridge to be used as the toner waste recovery bottle. Simple design, but nobody had ever thought of it until then. One less item to have to inventory that could actually cause you to go down if you didn't have in stock. Well, now the machine is making your toner waste recovery bottle for you as you use the machine. Let us show you how to change this now. The machine has obviously told you that you need toner, or we wouldn't be here in the first place. The door for the toner is right here, and I want you to notice this, please, that this door opens up only when the machine has told you that you need toner. Here's the deal. Over the years, it has been possible for folks to add toner to replace a toner when the machine hadn't called for it. And we've seen customers, meaning well, trying to help, who may have had light copy quality and the toner was even getting low, and they thought, well, they could help the situation out by replacing the toner. And I assure you, it just never helps. If the machine has light image quality, you need to call us. We need to come out and resolve the issue. So in this case, though, the machine has called for toner, and so the door has opened up, and now we can replace the toner. So we're going to remove the empty cartridge, and this cartridge now is going to become our waste toner recovery bottle. So let me grab the full cartridge. Here's the full one we're going to put in now. So this is the replacement bottle, the new full toner. That guy slides in, clicks in place, the door closes, that door closes, and we're done. So now I'm going to take the empty one I just pulled out, and here it is. And so now we're going to change the recovery bottle. Here's what you need to recall. Whether or not the machine has asked for the recovery bottle to be changed at that time doesn't matter. This is when the machine has given you a toner waste bottle to change. You need to do it then, please, whether the machine has asked for it or not, because that's when you have it. So here's where that goes. There's the door to access the toner waste bottle. Pull out this one that will now be mostly full, and we're going to set it aside because it's going to be recycled. You'll return that to us, or we'll come get it from you. It's going back to Kyocera for recycling. The now empty one. This is the empty toner cartridge that just came out of the machine. If you don't hear anything else, please hear this. This is the orientation it was in the machine when it was the black toner cartridge, with the door facing down so the toner could come out into the machine. You must rotate this 180 degrees so that same door now that used to dump toner in the machine can be used to dump toner back into the bottle. You have to turn that door facing up. Once you do, this bottle can then be inserted in. Once it goes in and then it becomes flush with the machine here, keep pushing until you hear it click. Once you hear it click, and only then will you be able to close the door. Once you've done that, you're done with that process, and now you'll take the recovery bottle that came out and work with us to get it back to us, or we'll come get it depending on where you're at, and it goes back to Kyocera. 100% of the products are recycled. Amazing program, amazing product, amazing manufacturer. So thank you for your time here today. Let us know here at CBM if we can be of any help to you. Thank you for your time.